Oh, why the thing trying to... Why send me to invent the website though? What the hell? So I just had to screenshot it from here, I guess. I'm about to edit the picture.
Dude. Yeah, man, had some saltfish today, you know? Yeah, man. Saltfish and ackee. You see me, I say? With all of them things, some dumpling. You see me, I say?
You're listening to DJ J-Day.
Yeah, them broke out. Yeah, man, this is a saltfish in my paper. You see me? So I gotta boil it now about 2 or 3 times. See it, we gotta boil it.
I'm fake
Alright, see, we have
I mean, as long as you have access to your email, you just to be able to use some of this stuff.
saltfish, you know? So we have to boil it now.
Yeah.
See, put it in the pot. Look at that. Eh? What's that shit again? Yeah, man, rinse it off, isn't it?
You laughing? You see yourself?
Turn them in a donkey.
Oh, wait. What can you do? You could...
You see? Yeah, the dad. The girl, her name is Maxine. Yes, weird. Add your flour. Make some dumpling, you know? Corn meal flour, you know? Very pretty. Think that's all.
Yeah.
Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, you know. Top Chef done the place on YouTube, you see me? Yeah, man, get some warm water. You have one more, you see me? Yeah, make sure no hand clean, you see me? While going in the afternoon. Then in New York, you know about what time now, babe? 1:56 p.m. in New York. Right now. Oh, say that to man can done.
I think I see Ma in the that she's doing, I think.
Well, go on, mommy. Yeah, man. There's some saltfish, man. Bubble over here, some ackee and saltfish today, no? You know, Jay, you know, eat ackee already, so more for me. You only eat saltfish. So let's see, I.
So how am I going to cook?
Make some little nice size flour, you know? Beat to my heart. Yeah, man, the top chef in the kitchen, man. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, you know. The link there on my page. As you go up on my page, you go see YouTube. Just click that link there. Subscribe at the top chef. Look at that. Get all of your Jamaican recipes, you know. Right now, some dumpling we have roll up, you see me? Give me some volume, babe. Vibes in the kitchen today, you know? See that are true? No.
In a big blue one.
I don't know. It goes around. What the hell with that I said, no? What must I be? I don't know. Bojo. That a piece of body, girl. Tell me where you get it from. Alright, some yam, you see me? Big a piece of paper towel, baby.
Yeah.
You're listening to DJ
Right.
JJ.
Satisfy your emotion. Instant wishy bus.
Ginger Ranger.
You're
Oh,
listening
na, na,
to
na,
DJ
na.
JJ.
Throw me.
What is what?
Well, go on in the chat here now. Go on in the chat here, nothing. Top chef there in the kitchen, you know. That one a real man. Oh no. Ginger Range. That girl Ginger Ann. Alright. This a negro yam, you know, negro yam. You see me, you don't know what negro yam? But this look like yellow yam. Then treat the crowd.
Why is it negro like yam?
Because that should be a different yam, man. But this look like yellow yam. My father advertising, you know. Man, them. Over there. Jazzy, what up?
Jumping. Sit one place.
Yeah, man, a whole heap of them there above here, man. Oh. Say somebody just done cook that?
No, she said she think she cook it.
Yeah, man, go and go cook it, man. You won't regret it, you know? That's some ackee and saltfish me a bad up, you know? But the thing is now, my shorty, you know, she know eat ackee, you know, so you know, see I'm more for me right now.
But you cook my saltfish separate?
Duh.
Her favorite, man.
Hmm?
Is that her favorite?
Yeah? Yeah, man, this is my favorite, man. Titanic, don't panic. Chrissy, big up yourself, you know. Lataya Green, big up yourself for the share, you know. You don't know. Boom, boom. I put some Irish in it, maybe two of them. Some ginger, some Irish. Put three in it. You eat Irish, little girl?
One Irish?
Take cabbage.
No idea, so I will eat some now.
Yeah, right now.
This is the playlist, come on.
Yeah, man. Yo, Tank, big up yourself, you know. Nadia, big up yourself. Yeah, countryman now back in the days now and just give them to the pig them, you know.
All the stuff left over?
And my granny teach me how to cook, you know. Yeah, man. This Benita, you know. Look at that. Where man again? Good old and do it. Chrissy, I hear a song this, you know. Good old a bit. Some girl belly bang over like shirt. Think I go. Alright, you see saltfish now? We are going to change the water, you see me? We dash off the water there. Pull it up back of water, see? Oh, that road. Out the road, no gyal carry over me.
Incomplete. Girls without like shit.
Cheese sticks. Go to the supermarket, my friend. You see creature? That boil up now, man. You soon see the fish, man. Make it go and boil, man.
Somebody see how the person oh, me never can see your face, your food.
Look at that. Check out the page, man. You see me on my page, man. You see it, you know, go on my page. That's why you don't see my face, you know.
Exactly.
You see me? Me there, boy. Alright, we're going to cut up them thing, you know. You go in there. Saltfish. Lady Star, Miss Mariana Hall. When me go shop, you me no look on the price. I get a sugar coffee, get me get it in a one. Let's go up up right, no one me hardly. Says she stress. So if you found some SES, I just love it. Them all depressed. Them here say that we have difference. That's why I lost your coat, my home, and I blow up my phone. Cause she want the vitamin S. Now we want smoke a cigar and I run down my car. Cause she want the vitamin S. If I move like it does, so oh, go. Skirt and a pop a shirt cause she want the vitamin S. Y'all not take no less fast, it put the stress them all the vitamin S. Come you say you hot from your man, pull up your belly and turn it on. Come you you hot for that man, turn it on. You know how man and tell me a dance all nice, you know.
You're listening to DJ Day. From your heart, there is no minute to love. How about the time you are from your heart to love? You're the top and one get my you know regular. From your heart, there is no minute to love. How about the time you are from your heart to love? You're the top and one.
Yeah, rough up bag. Jolly. He's a sexy body. Them songs are nostalgic, you know. Yeah, man, just use the Aki and mash it, man, you know. I'm gonna wash it, everything, you know. You know, sorry. Every category. Oh. Do they put them? There was Scotch bonnet pepper right there. Want the food spicy? Then? I worry if I eat some Vegas, you know. Yeah, man, so big. Them say tomato take out the taste out of the ackee, isn't it? And they use tomato anyway, I just say, you go, look at that. Melissa, big up for the follow, you know. Yeah, man, you don't know the thing going on. Welcome to the kitchen.
You could do my the onions and stuff? Or not so much onions, so I could put them on.
They say you want it a little bit spicy or spicy? Because I don't know how this here. How spicy this one is, you know. Little? Alright. She said she want it a little bit spicy. Tell them say nothing no go so. Yeah, man, keep your surface clean, man, you know. The surface not clean, the food not taste good, you know. That me I tell you, you know. Look at that, you know. Tell them say nothing no go so. Tell them say nothing no go so. People say.
I'm hearing this
Did I? Gimme. Compared to a pool, just like a pool. What people say. What do? Now play number 2. My dogs, set loose, set lost, represent for the laws of God.
My brother had to dance to this song.
Alright, Aki. Let's see if that one is good now, you see me? I cook like the ancestors, you know. Ancestors never have can opener, you know. Look at that, no babe. Drain it, you see me? Boom block. Give me pass.
Because when I have about 50 kids,
Not so much.
about 30.
Do the walk. Fast. One step on chichi man. But now step on chichi man now, master. What do you do, Lagan? See you how wicked and tough.
You show them this, do somebody want to see you.
I'm sure them one. Alright, saltfish ready now. But it hot like fire, so be careful. Run some cold water over it, see? Give it to her. Give it to her. Give it to her.
Some people be having the hats and stuff. It's like it's clear.
That is the figure. Give it to her. Give it to her.
Just give me the light.
Yeah.
Just give me the light. Just give me the light.
You're listening to DJ David.
Just give me the light. Let's pass the job.
What's that?
Another buckle of more. Get them in on my sides and I got to know which one is gonna catch my flow. Cause I'm in on the vibes and I got my dough.
Yeah, man, get rid of them thing, you know? That's the bone there. First.
Every man around them want on your inspector. But you know let them spend in a grill you with no lecture. For the power drill or them fuel injector. Them a inspector.
Disease collector.
Now for them a go like them want come wreck ya. Don't know the part where you got in your center. But you know you not let them guys they affect you. Yo, girl, just give me the lines and pass the joke. What's another buckle of more? Get them in on my sides and I got to know which one is gonna catch my blow. I'm in on the vibes and I got my dough. What's another buckle of more? Get them looking out and I got to know.
You go to war. Turning in high school, you know? War with me. You got enough press people button.
Nobody chat come face me with some.
Oh.
Right, this is big, right? At the party.
No.
Oh.
Nobody chat come face me with some.
This is a Mad Cobra. Song are the big song, you know. Yeah, man, a Rock Bandit remix it, man.
Really?
You know, enough movie and thing. Oh.
A lot of
Yeah.
bones in it. A lot of bones.
You know, press people button. Come face me with something.
Like how we have 22 in a song. Then after you so forget the next lot of food. Press trigger with a press.
You catch a dog with drugs there, you know.
Yes, me with some. Like how we have 22 in a song. Then after you
Kalonji. Pump up park. Pump up park. Boom. Boom. Pump up park. Pump up park. Yeah, man. Wanna go hard, innit?
April was saying, so what people say, April goes to some selfish stuff.
Eh?
Somebody said same to what Kitty had said.
Yeah, man. Go cook the saltfish, man. They are feeling for this strong week, yeah. You know who the dog sing that song of?
No.
Beanie Man. And this Marcus. They are dead man them. You wanna please subscribe to the YouTube channel, guys, you know. If you go up on my page, you will see the YouTube link, isn't it? Yeah, man, go over there and subscribe, man. Me I try to reach 1,000 by Wednesday, summertime. Alright. Now I get all the recipes, isn't it? Just like all the ancestors also do it, is it? Who them? You all them not like me.
But this is what he did to enter him back?
I think so. You don't like me. You know what they can play.
See them now, me now watch the face, cause me done try the face, please. Suck the mama, just can't help me. Tell them say how we run the place, a machine from the waist, and they done millionaire from
Me at 20.
Pussy would stop watch me clothes, stop watch me Kyle, stop watch me nose, and me rasta my style. Stop watch me clothes, stop watch me file. All them say me don't do a smile. All them say me don't know the clothes, so them not like me. See them all like, but that still not spite me. Pussy would got and got choke all over in our heart. And none of them can stop me. First of all,
Alright.
for
all who not, for all who don't come from Jamaica, this is Jamaica's national.
Brahma. It's them wash up already, Brahma.
Yes.
Stop them so easy. Don't let them suffer. I want to ask them. And the brand new dance, them stuck here and past them. So you want to come first. Don't let them come.
Dead line.
What you gonna say, what you gonna do? 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 I like the way you move. I like the way you groove. I like the way you set me on fire. I like the way you feel. I know that this is real. You think
Yeah, man, the rings off it already, man, you know? You know, it's the top chef, man.
Everybody start take for yourself. Melody with the man take for yourself. Sing with the girl take for yourself.
Alright, woman don't like too much onion, you know? So there you go. Woo! Yeah, man. Who? Woman don't like the onion them too much, you know? And the ackee, so the stove want to turn down a little bit still. Oh. Turn down the stove, saute them. All you need is some black pepper. Yeah. Then me have to take out the yeah. Why? Yeah.
So they still do it basically, but they don't call it Willy Bunks. Because the Jamaican they still be caught
Willy
doing that.
Bunks.
Huh?
I really bunks though.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm thinking about it. They still do it. Yeah, they're the song they used to hear when I used to go to parties and shit.
Alright. The shorty one ready, you know?
DJ David.
Then we have to add the ackee, we have to take out some and then add the ackee, you see me? Shan. Give me a little. Give me a little. That's why I'm big when you go upstairs. Yeah, man, we like enough onion and everything there on my thing, you know? Red, green, and gold, you know? Smoke weed and trees.
This one party was nice for real because people was dancing, nobody wasn't all on their phone and shit, like.
Oh, man, let me see.
You're listening to DJ David.
Dance all around, come,
Roll a cup.
When you open the thing, it's yellow already. When you open the thing itself.
Yes. Light seasoning, you know? Some black pepper. And they're good. They don't want to make them mash out too much, you know? See that wine down window? Look at that.
Everybody at me, from the kids them to the dancer to the top them in the street. Move your foot them to the left and to the right, no matter cheat. Watch your bun to them and be the linger with the body creep. Things say Ellie, oh it's so famous when they might be. Start all updated like Tinga. Ting dang, come we show them fi do the no linger. Sweep your foot to the right and up your finger. No linger. Start all updated like Tinga. Come we show them fi do the no linger. Sweep your foot to the left and grab your finger. No linger. Dance and step up. So you do the no linger. With your foot them a stretch out. So you do the no linger. Who can't do it get out. So you do the no linger. No linger.
No linger. No linger.
Sunday. Now stop linger one night till Monday. Bring the fun we take it on a uptown Monday. See the girl them a rip out a wine and a go down there. Dance and make everybody a come there. Dancing style all updated like Tinga. Ting dang come we show them fi do the no linger. Sweep your foot to the right and snap your finger. No linger. No linger. Dancing style all updated like Tinga. Come we show them fi do the no linger.
Shouting like too much, you know, so.
Now look, since the
Alright, that's a saltfish.
Spin one for the gal then, fam.
Oh, baby, I don't know my lady. I don't know she baby. Yeah.
Somebody say what's done? Is that
I never make it
Somebody say what's done?
to this world what happened.
Lethal. Yo, DJ Smoke. You don't know the thing going on, brother. And your style, you know. Yeah, man, some ackee and saltfish, man. Ice green and gold, man. You don't know the thing go. You know?
Because I'm just hungry looking at how good it looks.
Yeah, man, big up, man. On my plate next, you know. I'll get a bigger plate to me still, you know.
Send me some.
I'll send you a picture, you know.
When I see you smile, I can face the world. Oh, you know I can do anything. When I see
Banana
you
drop to Rasta.
smile, I see your rings of light. Oh, I see you shining right to the way now. When I see you smile.
Sharon said, look at that.
Sharon, big up yourself, you know. Look at that.
Oh, baby, I don't know my lady. I don't know see baby. Yeah, baby, there's nothing in this world I could ever do. The touch of your hands can do. It's like nothing that I ever knew. Yeah, and when the rain is falling, I can see that you're here with me now. I wanna ask you,
Look at that, man.
everything's alright. Everything's
Saltfish and
alright.
dumplings, Sharon said.
When I see you,
Which plate you know I go choose now?
I can face the world. Oh, you know I can do anything.
One man more.
When I see you smile, I see your eyes bright. Oh, I see you shining right to
Just
the
sleep,
right
you know,
now.
one
When
man
I
more.
see
Just
you
kidding.
smile.
Oh, I guess she's saying if it's here.
Yeah, man, I'm willing to share, man. Alright, 2 plate. Ginger, I want some too?
Irish.
Alright, look at that, my people. You don't know, you know, the Jamaican national dish, you know. You don't know.
What does a better run feel
Ackee and salt sea creature, you know.
feels like?
Look at that, you know. Yeah, man.
Getting strides.
And you don't know right here, because Shorty, you know, so all of this are mine, you know.
April
Because
said
Shorty,
she
you know.
begging.
Eh?
April said she had beg.
April,
Say, give me.
there, you have to just grab it, man. You see me? But big up, you know. everybody will pass through today, you know. You don't know the top chef, you know. Big up, you know, Crystal. You don't know. Yeah, man. April, big up yourself, you know. Follow the YouTube channel, you know. Go on my page. Pat, yo, big up yourself, you know, Pat. Open and follow the YouTube channel. Click on my page and you will see it, you see me? Yeah, man. Crystal, me I send you, man, don't worry yourself, man. You see me? Uber come drop it off right now. You see me I say? Yeah, man, big up on yourself, you see me I say? But we are going to murder the food, you know. Look at that. Yeah, man. Trouble, you know, in the kitchen, you know. Yeah, man. Yes, my people, follow the page and follow the YouTube channel. As you go up on the page, you will see the YouTube channel. Click on the link, subscribe. Our way. Look at that. The top chef was gone. Big up.